Hey guys, for this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make professional YouTube thumbnail here in Canva. So after you've opened Canva, you want to go here to the left side bar and click on templates, and you will see browse by category over here in the middle. Then you want to scroll to the side up until you see YouTube thumbnail, which is this one, so click on it. And from here you can create a blank canvas by clicking on create a blank YouTube thumbnail. So if you're creative, you can do that. You can start from scratch and you can put your own ideas into that design. But if you're not that creative, you can of course select any of the templates that are available over here. And if you're specifically looking for a theme, you can search for it over here in the search bar. So once you selected a template, just click on it, then click on customize this template. And from here, you can of course go ahead and customize the template. You can change the texts to your own YouTube video title and so on. And after you've done with that, just click on share up here at the top right corner, then click on download, and that's it. Thanks for watching.